The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Stand back, Kevin. Kevin. Put your hands down. Kevin, put your hands down.
I rushed my friend for an offensive weapon. It's a walking stick. Would you stop an old man for a walking stick? I'm not going to answer your question.
Kevin. Shut up. Kevin, shut up.
I'm not going to answer your questions.
Kevin, shut up.
All right. You say you're harassed by a uniform. That can't physically happen.
Don't say no, son. It's all right. Junior. Junior. Junior, just let him check it, mate, please. Just let him look at it. They just want to make sure there's nothing inside, so it's not hidden. Yeah, it's not adapted, so there's nothing inside it. Don't worry about it.
It's harassment. You can't do
Yeah, man.
You can't stop you.
Shush. Don't answer no questions. Shush.
Somebody's phoned up concerned. Which is very false, I get that.
Have you seen how you're handling the situation? Yeah. And you wonder why, like, community and police relations are all time low here because of this.
Kevin, shush.
It was a very civil thing. It's civil, yeah.
I haven't done anything wrong, you're threatening me, I feel really threatened. Literally I do, you've just touched me stuff, for what reason? Stop touching me, I don't want you to, you don't have to. You don't have to touch me, do you, brother? I haven't done anything wrong.
Can you pull your pockets out so we can make sure you've got nothing on you that you could use to harm anybody?
What for? Do I have to do this?
Yeah.
Under legal law, what have I done? I've just been walking down the street.
Section 1.
I can refuse the request, can I not?
No, unfortunately not.
What do you mean? This is on camera. I'm getting searched for walking down the street with my staff. I'm getting made to tear my pockets out for this. And this is Christianity. And these people are meant to be following this law. These meant to be serving us. These people are meant to be serving us.
We can't help it.
I'll tear my pockets down.
But we have a duty. You're not even listening to me. So I'm speaking to you.
My pockets. Turned out.
Thank you. Okay. Have you got any other pockets
Even
anywhere?
your boy already searched me. And he's scared. You don't need to pat me down. I'm scared of.
Your bum bag?
You look like gangster. Rocks. No, the opposite.
Regular rocks.
Yeah, opposite. It's all about righteousness. I don't want you to expose me. You don't understand righteousness. I don't want everyone to touch these. You come for a lesson.
We've come here.
True people are. Well, you can see through the zip there. I'm not gangsters.
We've come here under a phone call.
I feel very harassed.
I don't want you to feel harassed.
Imagine if I did this to you. Was you carrying your taser? Get this on camera. If I pulled these over for carrying a taser and said, hang on, you're carrying a taser, stop right there, what are you doing with that? It's exactly the same. No, I'm carrying this with lawful authority from
Rastafari!
Yeah, from the most high, not from the most high created, not from laws of men. We follow perfection. So this is why you come into perfect man. Yeah, your boy's already searched me, man. I'm not getting searched. I'm not getting searched. You're both touching me.
Section 1 place.
I'm not getting searched, brother.
You are.
I'm a lawful man. I'm following laws right now. You're breaking laws. You search me, you're breaking my laws.
Then you will comply with my request.
Okay.
You are to I'm not going to
Okay. You can't search me. One sec.
My name's Stacey Kerr. My phone number is 18. I'm based at Finn House.
You can listen to me.
So why have you asked to search them and not us? The report's coming about 2 men.
2 black men. Yeah, 2 black men.
Why are you just targeting them? Why aren't you searching us? Would it not make sense to search us all if we're all together and you're making an assumption that these are carrying weapons?
Well, these officers have heard the initial report.
But what did you perceive as yourself? You've heard it of somebody else. So how
And what was the report? Black men?
Yeah, 2 black men carrying a stick.
So that's a general description.
Yeah.
You've just taken...
But what's the description then? What else can it be?
came here, you heard the report, fair enough, so you report on that.
So you shouldn't judge someone what wearing these, you should appreciate that we're also people who are trying to do a job.
Down the corner with a weapon
Yes.
against you.
I walked around the corner, my client walked around the corner with his ass balanced and I ultimately, yes.
So I'm gonna go to Kev now. This is right, Uncle John.
And I'm saying to you, you're not listening to me. So this is the point of this conversation. Okay, well I apologise to that right now. When you were the first person to say yeah,
You were obviously counting, the point is,
alright, let's not do this over, we've not done that.
Well, we have to protect ourselves as well, obviously. You know, you don't approach people who possess weapons. And so, you know,
Yeah, just conform, bro. Conform, I'll just lock you up.
If you've not done anything wrong, then you shouldn't have a problem with the police approaching you and carrying out lawful action. We have a problem with that. Why do you perceive that?
Right, we're responding to a report. I've not made disagree with it, that's absolutely fine.
Seeing as how I've been arresting you, so has not got to leave the yes, plenty of times. So living in yours, reported as many times, you clearly see safety for carrying through than what you're
and that's when there will be a problem. This is not peace.
I understand your point. I really do.
It's being searched on body camera, which is our policy. I can't explain to you why you're being searched, alright? So it's all being recorded.
This has never happened before.
This is our job. This is what we do.
People are getting searched for no reason. Yeah, this is my job. This is what I do. Yeah, I work for the Creator. I do. I'm a lawful. I work for His law. I'm a man of His law. And I'm getting lawfully searched.
You don't have to put your hands on your head. We're investigating.
This is a madness.
Why are you touching me bottom? No, he's going to have to pay for this. He's touching on me bottom and everything. No, it's on camera anyway, so I'm getting searched for nothing as well. He's touching me all places. I don't like being touched. He's touched me staff. He's touched me box. He's touched me everywhere. Do you want to touch me? Do you want to touch me, bro? Just touch me, please. Just defile me. Just completely defile me.
Alright? Alright, and I need to get your details to say that I've searched you. And a copy of the search warrant will be available on the police station for the next 6 months. Do you understand? Alright? Search book. I can check the van. Thank you.
Don't worry about that, mate. That's sound, it's alright. Yeah, well, what did you say? It won't go very far, is that what you said? Hey, was that straight out of your mouth, officer? It won't go very far, will it not? My complaint to the IPCC won't go very far, will it not? Is that what you said? Is that what you just said, though? Is that what you said? 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 That's what you said, though, wasn't it? Our complaint's not going to go very far. Alright. We'll see.
Oh! What's he doing? What are you doing?
I don't want you holding that.
What do you mean? It's no. That's a religious item. You can't do that. Nah, just grip it, Bailey. Grip it, Bailey. Grip it, man. You can't do that, Uncle John. You're fucking mad.
Come on, you just got down on body camera. What are you doing?
You can hurt me while I'm doing it. I'm nearly done with it.
You nearly broke me this.
Get out, Bernie, and they won't let her out.
You don't have to follow instructions given by police.
Yeah, well, you're not doing the job.
Excuse me, this woman needs to get to work.
Yeah,
I know.
You just nearly broke me wrist, bro. You just nearly slapped me wrist.
They've done nothing on it, Burn, though. They've literally done nothing.
That's unlawful. Be quiet, bro. Let me finish, bro. Let me talk, because I know what's going to happen to this one. Everything's absolutely fine. Don't talk no more, bro. Don't talk no more. Don't talk anymore. Style creator. Yeah!
Rastafari.
King Selassie, yeah!
Rastafari.
King Selassie, yeah!
Rastafari.
I'm gonna fire upon the police, man. Babylon system must fall.
Viewers and subscribers, every now and then, miss a video pop up on social media that says police harassment. Sometimes it says police assault, you know. Sometimes it pop up even often too, you know what I mean? Yeah. But anyways, you know, this video that I just show you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media, and some people on social media calling it police harassment, and more speculations behind it where they are saying that it is police harassment by racism, and some is saying that it is by religious belief. You know, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, not to disrespect the law or go against the law, you know, because you know the law is here to protect people and to keep them safe. You see me I say? I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding of what's going on out there. You know, like I said, this video is out on social media. I'm just trying to keep you posted and up to date with what I want. Now, this is my understanding that I got from the video, viewers and subscribers. I could be right and I could be wrong, you know, but this is how I understand what has been said and all the things that has been done in this video. It would seem to me like the police officers, they were responding to a call, you know, and the call, some of the information that is in the call would match the description of these men that has been searched by the police officers, you see? And there is more to it, you know, viewers and subscribers, but you know, I'm going to leave it right there, so with you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I go, I have to ask a question or two, you know what I mean? Is this police harassment? You know, or is it that the police officers are just doing their jobs? You know, some people says that it is racism, and there's other things being said behind this video, or towards this video I should say. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, just tell me what you think about something like this. Alright? I don't know me, DancehallSkilla, they have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and don't forget to read some of the comments, as my viewers and subscribers will leave some very informative comments in the comment section, and as well as I myself will leave comments in the comment section to keep you up to date, or should I say to make you know what I go on. Alright, so until the next time, my name is DancehallSkilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? DancehallSkilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching DancehallSkilla Entertainment.